हेलो हाय, दिस इज अनामिका एंड वेलकम टू मेट्रो टीवी। अब बारी है बॉलीवुड की उन खबरों की जिसे जानने के लिए आप रहते हैं एक्साइटेड। सो व्हाई वेट, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद इट। फिल्म कैरी ऑन कुटौन के स्टार कास्ट से हाल ही में हुई मुलाकात, जहां पर फिल्म स्टार्स ने कभी फिल्म टाइटल के बारे में तो कभी अपने किरदार के बारे में किया एक्सप्लेन। टेक अ लुक।
आई फील ये जो फिल्म का नाम है, इनिशियली इट स्टार्टेड विद हाउ वी से कैरी ऑन, carrying on, or why don't you carry on. So that phrase that was taken, and because all these four characters, their mentality is like a dog, so it became carry on kutto.
No matter what.
Yeah, exactly, no matter what. And his character name in the film is Kerry, so that's how it became carry on kutto.
So ऐसे ये जितना भी हम समझाने की कोशिश करेंगे आपको समझ नहीं आएगा क्योंकि दे आर डिफरेंट एंगल्स। ये मल्टी कैमरा सेटअप है, ये जो आपका टाइटल है, आप इधर से देखेंगे आपको कुछ और दिखेगा, यहाँ से देखेंगे कुछ और दिखेगा, यहाँ से देखेंगे कुछ और दिखेगा, दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग। बट या एसेंशियली कैरी ऑन कुत्तों इज अ, जैसे कि आराधना ने बताया था, इट्स कमिंग ऑफ एज, it's desi and it's damn cool. It's very cool and it's joyous.
Yeah.
It's
It's fun.
These kids are not depressed. They are not saying कि oh my god मेरी life में ये नहीं है, oh my god मेरी life में वो नहीं है. We keep cribbing about things, but these people who are maybe 19, 20, who are growing up, इनके लिए लाइफ में एडवेंचर है हर चीज़. How do I reach there? So I have to fight for that. Let's fight for that. Like her character is fighting for something. His character is constantly fighting for something. यानी everybody is going through some
all
sort
the
of...
characters are going through a struggle, an internal struggle.
Yeah, there's this identity crisis.
Yeah.
They want to come over that whole thing where, listen boss, I'm not just this. You know, जैसे कैरी का एक है कि his father doesn't know whether he is my son or not. So the whole town calls him, he's, you know, we don't know who his father is.
Yeah.
Like, her struggle is that maybe, you know,
She's on her own.
She's on her own.
She can't depend on her
her
family.
parents sent her to her nana nani's place. His identity is where he's trying to prove something to his father. At the same time, he's trying to be what he's not actually in life. And then that's why करण का जो कैरेक्टर मेरे ख्याल से ऐसा लगता है कि यार ये बहुत ही सोबर सा सिंपल सा है, बट पोस्ट द इंटरवल ही फ्लिप्स. And how, you know,
I don't think we should say.
Yeah, how he comes face to face with other characters.
Yeah.
When you look at him, he looks like a very simple, sober guy, but there's a flip.
Yeah.
And that he's done really well. So,
अगर कैरेक्टर की बात करिए तो कितना रिलेट करते हैं आप कैरी के कैरेक्टर से?
कैरी के कैरेक्टर से देखिए, there are days जब मुझे लगता था मैं कैरी हूँ, and there were days when I completely used to feel I'm not कैरी at all, because I've been born and brought up in a family where I was raised by my grandmother, my mother, my sisters. I have a cat and a dog. Even the cat and dog are, you know, she.
Yeah.
So I'm surrounded by wonderful women, and this character, he never had a woman's or a female influence in his life. His mother left him when he was really young, and so he had this very bitter memory, whatever memory he has of his mother. And कुछ ऐसे dialogues थे फिल्म में where he is using very bad language for the, maybe for you know, maybe for some other character, for his mother. And to live up to those kind of dialogues, whatever I'm doing, I need to make you believe that. And for me to believe that, it was really painful to say those lines. But as an actor, you have to do those things. And but there were days when it was very difficult. And there were days it was just like a cakewalk.
And आप अपने कैरेक्टर से कितना रिलेट करती हैं?
मैं बिल्कुल रिलेट नहीं कर पाई थी अपने कैरेक्टर से, बिकॉज इनिशियली मैंने गॉट द
कितना
नरेशन.
काम करा आपने आपके कैरेक्टर के ऊपर?
काफ़ी काम करना पड़ा, काम करने में मज़ा आया, बिकॉज when I heard the script, I took it as a challenge. I love taking up challenges, and when it came to me, because Jyoti is very different from me as a person. She's very materialistic. She uses, you know, her charm to manipulate others. Yeah. So I'm not like that. I work my ass off. I work hard and get my things done. Also, the fact that I just mentioned that, you know, no family support, parents threw her out because she was a girl child. I'm celebrated in my family for being a girl. My parents have never, you know, differentiated between me and my brother. I come from a family where girls and boys are the same. In fact, girls are respected way more. So that in that category, I didn't really relate to the character. But that was the fun part, because when you don't relate to the character, you meet people, you know, just observe around, you see things around, and that's how you develop the character in your head.
Actor Randeep Huda and Mary Comb at launch of Be the Change, जहां पर daddies को किया गया target. But why? See the report.
And kids are the future. So if we are not doing it at home, charity begins at home. So if you want to change the world, I think you should change what's going on in your house first, and I think that will produce intelligent and equilibrium-friendly next generation. That's very important.
ये रणदीप किस बारे में कर रहे हैं बात, इसे लेकर आप सोच रहे होंगे। यहाँ तो रणदीप क्लिक पर क्लिक दे रहे हैं। दरअसल हाल ही में रणदीप और मैरी कॉम बी द चेंज के लॉन्च पर गए, जहां पर रणदीप का कहना है कि अगर आप चाहते हैं कोई भी चेंजेस तो पहले अपने घर से शुरुआत करें, और साथ ही रणदीप सेज इफ यू वांट द चेंज देन दैट शुड शेयर द लोड।
See, a lot of my friends are married, and the households that I find are happier are the ones where, you know, there is an equal sharing, that whole thing about man sitting with his legs on the table, on the couch, watching television while the mom's dealing with the kids. After she comes back from home, she's cooking, she's washing, she's doing everything. Those households are not very happy, and those couples are not friends with me in the same way. I think the happier couples of all my friends that I've met are where dads are contributing, and it's also, there is a whole thing, you know, everything is changing.
यही नहीं, यहाँ पर मैरी कॉम अपने हस्बैंड ऑनलर कॉम के साथ आई हुई थी और उन्होंने बी द चेंज कैंपेन के सामने अपना हाउस होल्ड एग्जाम्पल रखा।
At home, actually, we are always sharing each other, and of course, even also they have learned a lot of things. Whatever I can't do that, so many things. Even my husband is helping me, is sharing me. It's love each other. We have not given to all to a work to husband, to work to wife. So the things, the children also, they have learned. So in a future, in a century, they have learning a lot of things. So I'm very happy to be among with you for campaigning this share the load.
वेल, यहाँ पर इन स्टार्स ने इसको किया फुल टू सपोर्ट। क्या आप भी बी द चेंज का हिस्सा बनना चाहेंगे? तो रणदीप के बातों पर जरा गौर फरमाएं। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, मेट्रो टीवी। वेल, बॉलीवुड खबरों में इतना ही। देश और दुनिया की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों के लिए बी विद मेट्रो टीवी। टिल देन, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर।